It's mid-November 2020 and we're about to plant garlic for the next season. We're located in southeastern Pennsylvania, which belongs to the Mid-Atlantic region. It's still been pretty warm around here. Garlic gets planted in the fall and it will still start to grow a little bit, a few inches maybe, and then over winter go dormant until the next spring when it resumes its growth, and it will be ready for harvest in mid-July. So in this bed here we were still growing a late crop of zucchini, which has been killed by some night frosts. And the first thing that we're going to do to prepare for the garlic is to remove all this plant matter, and then I'm going to make a raised bed, flatten that out nicely and plant pretty densely. So I'm going to plant in a triangular pattern about 4 inches apart, and once we have all the cloves in the ground, we will cover it with 10 inches of straw, which will give it a nice cover over the winter, but also help keep the weeds under control next spring. Alright, let's see how this works. So to plant garlic, you start with a bulb and you take apart the individual cloves and make sure you don't peel them. You're not cooking. You want to make sure that you have always just one clove, even if just a really small little sliver of a second one. Take that away, remove it, because you will have two plants growing and they will be competing with each other. And then you will look at your clove. This part is where the roots start to grow, and this top part is where the leaves are starting to sprout from. So make sure you put the root part downwards as you push it into the ground. You will push it into the ground until you see just the tip of the garlic poking out of the ground. So exactly the